contributions to the world. $10 trillion imports target provide massive opportunities for the rest of the world. And China remains, according to the ambassador, the Philippines' third largest export market. Tourist arrival of 245,000 from China, the third largest in the Philippines. Trade, however, left far behind compared with other ASEAN countries. 2 million Chinese tourists in Thailand. And we can be an important market for each other. Opportunity waits for nobody in dispute in the South China Sea. China is ready to solve dispute through dialogue, peaceful solutions. Preferred joint exploitation of natural resources. Serve interests of both countries and promote regional peace, according to the Chinese ambassador. She was asked a question, why is China not participating in arbitral tribunal? Her answer, in China, we resolve disputes by talking to each other. When people file a case in court, they are not anymore friends, according to the Chinese ambassador. Solve problems by dialogue. Better ways to talk to each other. Arbitration was resorted to without consulting China. It was a unilateral act of the Philippines. And my comment there is, they also did not consult us when China occupied Mischief Reef and Scarborough Shoal. She was asked another question. What peaceful solution do we have in the West Philippine Sea? Her answer, difficult, not easy issue to solve. We are very patient to solve the problem. Let's focus on joint exploitation. We cannot let the natural resources remain idle. So that shows you what your intentions are. And then, just the other day, China plans maritime Silk Road with ASEAN nations. China proposes to build a maritime Silk Road with Southeast Asian countries where it is locked in a vexed dispute over the South China Sea to boost its foreign trade, according to their state media. The Maritime Silk Road, or MSR, formed the basis for the plans to enhance trade between China and ASEAN countries during the current visit of Chinese President Xi Jinping to Indonesia and Malaysia, where he stated the MSR would help turn the golden decade between China and the region into a diamond decade. Such a project would be built upon solid political basis and economic foundations, and is in line with the common aspirations of the peoples of China and the ASEAN countries, according to a commentary by the state-run Xinhua news agency. Maritime Silk Road with ASEAN nations. Mega trade with China. Why not? But of course, before we do that, China must first get out of our West Philippine Sea. Thank you very much, and thank you for the opportunity.